Hello, Miss Rosario. Good night. This time I will tell you about my plans and predictions before my 40s. Before I am 40, I am going to be happily married to Liz because she is the woman I love so much. Before I was 40, I will not live in my grandparents' house. I will live in my own house compared to the suite on my 40th. Before the age of 40, I will be with the degree of Magister and Doctor in my specialty of administration. Before I was 40, I will be married and I must have two beautiful children like their mom and dad. Before the 40, I will be at least with a car of my own to travel as a family and no money, so it's played in our beautiful Peru. Probably before the age of 40, I must work for an institution of the Peruvian states because it is a goal that I have set myself. Probably before I was 40, I should be a manager in my own company. I definitely want to happen. I wouldn't yet use it to the gastronomy it offers, and finally, definitely before I was 40, I must be a very successful great professional. Thank you, Miss Rosario.